Guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make steamed tapioca ball filled with the seasoning minced pork, or in Thai we call Saku Sai Moo. First we gonna make the filling. Over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of 3 or garlic, cilantro and pepper. And then we gonna add the onions. Stir until the onion is translucent. And then we're gonna add the pork, stir to cook and break up the pork. The next is the Chinese sweet radish. And then we're gonna add the coconut sugar, salt, and seasoning sauce and stir fry. When the filling is cooked, it's time to taste. The filling should be salty, sweet, and seam over seasoned. The ingredients I will put in the description box. In the final, we're gonna add ground roast peanuts and stir until everything is almost dry, and then let it cool down. Move from the heat and leave the filling to cool down, and then shape into a small ball, 1 teaspoon size. So the next is we need to preparing the tapioca pearls. We're gonna soak tapioca pearl in room temperature for 13 minutes to get the tapioca pearls into the workable stage. The tapioca pearl will expand for 10 or 15%. After soaking, the tapioca pearls should be soft and sticky, and then remove from the water. Then we're gonna press the vegetable oil onto the mold, the silicone mold. And then we remove the water from the typical pearls and put on the bottom of the mold. Next, press the filling and on top cover with the typical pearl again and press it well. And steam them for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, and then let it cool down and will easy for remove. Now it's ready. If you don't have the mold, silicone mold, you just make to be like a ball and steam it. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.